After driving for around 20 minutes, I am now here at Bunnings, here in Taylor's Beach. Yeah, I'm going to buy something. I will show you. I actually did not buy anything. Yeah, yet. I found another solution. Oh, look at that, another Volkswagen Transporter. Beautiful. Basically, I am doing a project. Yeah, I want to put a hook like this. This one actually I put it yesterday, but all the other is gone because not very strong. Look at that, easily to remove. So basically what I'm going to do is just to change the adhesive. Yeah, I have this kind of adhesive. This is strong adhesive, double adhesive tape. Compare the one that is this one. Yeah. Hopefully that's strong already. This is basically the reason. Yeah, where I went here in Bunnings. And we are now here in the grocery. I'm getting this. Yeah, Spice Taylor, a Thai red curry. I actually have chicken in the fridge, so I'm going to use this for that. I'm also getting some vegetable, and I'm going to use that as extender. Yeah, with this. Yeah, to make it enough for 1 week, at least for 5 days. Found this broccoli, carrots, and florets, just $2. Yeah, this quantity is just good enough. And we are home. Yeah, this is what I bought. Yeah, not toilet paper, but paper towel. Basically, instead of using a rug or towel to dry things here, I'm using paper towel to dry things. Yeah, so that there's no moist buildup inside the bun. Also bought this Oreo. Yeah, just $1 something. That's why. Also this vegetable, $2 something. And this Thai red curry. And I actually have this chicken tikka bites. So what I'm going to do is to cook it with this Thai red curry, and this vegetable using the rice cooker. But the problem is, in the previous days there was no sun, and so I'm worried about the battery. Yeah, it's okay. I will cook it even there is no. I'm not sure about the battery. I will survive. Yeah, this is the rice. I cooked it maybe 3 or 4 days ago. And this is the curry. Vegetable is overcooked. I'm not sure about the chicken. Oh, the chicken is the chicken is tender. Wow. Oh, nice. Okay, this is the one. I actually did not adjust any seasoning. Yeah, I cook it as it is. So this is the first taste. It's okay. Not the best. Okay, now it's time to repack. Yeah, this oops. Yeah, this Thai chicken curry. I think this is just about 3 serves. Yeah, so 3 serves means 3 days. Because like I always said that I eat just one time in a day. Yeah, 1 meal every day. And the total, it costs about 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13. Yeah, so basically the chicken that I bought 3 days ago, Or yeah, the chicken tikka, it's $5. Yeah, and then the ingredients that I bought today, that cost $8. Yeah. If I spend that $13 in KFC, that will be just one meal. Yeah, so yeah, you will really save a lot of money if you are cooking your own food. Even if you are living in the camper van or in the house, cooking will save you a lot of money. But actually, during my day off, I'm always tempted to eat in the restaurant. And I have some rice in the fridge that I cook 2 or 3 days ago. And I will be just here. Actually, I'm going to do some editing. And later, I'm going to the gym. Or maybe I should go now. Yo, good afternoon everyone. Yeah, it is already actually 5:19. Yeah, I just finished having my meal. This is the one that I cooked yesterday, the Thai red curry. And now it's time to wash all this. Well, actually, I forgot to wash this yesterday. So basically, I was in the computer and already dark when I realized that, oh, I forgot to wash. I did not wash this. Yeah, and so I leave it in here. I sleep, and yeah, just now I'm going to wash it. Yeah, before sleeping I said, oh, I'm going to be smell like Thai curry. But all good, I'm going to wash it now. Yeah, that is how it is outside. The car park is not busy, but I see lots of vehicle rushing. And today is one of those days that I feel lazy. Oh, look at this. Yeah, this one is dead. I don't know if it is going to survive. I'll keep it there. I have this for over a month already. Chinese lucky bamboo, the name of that plant. So I'm about to run out of water actually. So I am using a paper towel to dry, to dry the things here, to wipe the things here. I actually did my laundry today after work. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. And then I drive up here because I need to do my laundry. Oh. Yeah, at the moment my laundry is drying and I have 1 minute and 23 seconds to finish the drying. And now that these are dry, I'm going to organize it here. So as you can see in here, I have this drawer where I will put this rice cooker. I'll put this there, put this somewhere here. This and this, and push it. And my laundry is finished. Yeah, this one is still hot. It is actually hot. Yeah, inside. There's no AC. There is no wind. Yeah, my body is sweating. But here outside it's just good. Yeah, a very nice wind breeze. And this is what I got. 2 basket, 2 bag, 1 uniform and 1 civilian. I mean all the short and shirt. Okay. I would like to say thank you to Mr. Mike for giving me this shirt. Oh, there's a group of ladies over there. Okay, so I just finished organizing my clothes. Yeah, I have boxes inside over there, under the bed and over there. Yeah, those are my uniform. And yeah, now I'm going to walk around. Oh, it's raining. Raining. I thought it will continue to be in good weather, but yeah, it's raining now. Yeah, some people they are running now. The rain actually did not continue. Yeah. And so we are here. We're going to just walk just around the area. They are playing loud music in one of the house over up there. And you know, when you first arrive here in Australia, one of the very first thing that you're going to notice are these ibis. Yeah, this kind of bird. They are always everywhere around. Yeah, just picking food for them. Most of the time they are actually in the garbage bin. Look at that, how beautiful it is here. Yeah, actually this morning, one of our kitchen hand, Lucas, he said that he's not going to live anymore in Sydney. Yeah, he said that this area is 100 times better than Sydney. And then I joked to him that, oh, but in Sydney you have a lot of places to go. Yeah, there's so many places to go in Sydney, you're not going to be bored. And then he said, Sydney is good if you're just going to stay for 1 week or just for visiting. He said like that. Because he was before living in Sydney. Actually, he said that he is living in Sydney for 18 years. And then he moved here in the Bay Area with his grandparents. He don't like Sydney anymore because of the lots of people, traffic. He also need to pay for every parking. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you wanna live forever and ever? Yeah, there is party in that ferry. I saw one kind of drag queen a while ago on her car, putting a lot of makeup. Yeah, noisy. I can hear their sound. Oh, look at this pelican. Oh, not coming here, but to the other side. Oh, I noticed that there are a school of fish that are jumping all together. You see that? Yeah, a school of fish. I learned a school of fish. Yeah, from you, from the viewers. Thank you. To be honest, I'm actually learning from the viewers of my blog. Yeah, some of them they are commenting educational. I mean, or sometimes they are correcting me, which is good. But sometimes, there are some basher also. You know, basher, they are not happy people. I don't know why they can afford to bash other people or yeah, bloggers who are just happy sharing the life of their daily lives. Okay, that's it. I'm really feeling lazy today. And we are now here at the Roywood Reserve. Whoa, look at the water. Very, yeah, very calm. Yeah, no, it's... Yeah, and there's a family over there. They are swimming despite of the, yeah, little cold temperature at the moment. We are now here at the shopping center and it is raining actually. Yeah. And I'm going to buy something in the grocery. There is actually nothing that I like to buy. But yeah, I need to buy something. Yeah, $20 until tomorrow. Yeah, for me to be able to get the, you know, the rewards, points rewards for the credit card. Oh, and here they have this arancini. Yeah, this is just $2.53. I don't know if this is already cooked. Just need to reheat. Actually, it's 10 minutes to cook. I don't need. I saw spring roll, so yeah, I'll get this spring roll instead. And lasagna. Oh, there is this also, chicken dinner. This one. And I'm going to try this one, the Good Bricky Natural Nourishment, no added sugar. It's $3.95, 40% off. Basically chocolate drink. Just to try.